Hello, this video is about to create a responsive sidebar using HTML and CSS. Let's check the demo. Let's move to the developer tab. Okay, in here we will check now the responsiveness of our responsive sidebar. Check it for tablets and for mobile devices. It will looks like this. Okay, let's go back. We're back. Our desktop is okay, so it will looks like this. This is a responsive sidebar that we will create a simple sidebar. Okay, you will create just in a few minutes. So let's get started. So first of all, open your editor. I have opened VS Code editor and open HTML file sidebar.html. Now we will start our coding. So this is a sidebar. Let's change it. And here we will write our coding. Okay. Div element. Here we will add a class name, class sidebar, and down we will add links. We will add 4 links. Okay. So let's drop down. It looks like this, and this is for home. This is for news, contact, and about. Now let's add a class name to our first link, okay, which is active. Now let's run it. Okay, right click and we will open it in default browser. I have installed this extension. Okay, this is the extension. Here you can install that extension. Okay, open in browser. So after installing it, now you will be able to right click on this and open in default browser to run it. Okay, so it looks like this. Now we will add CSS code to this. Let's come here in the head section. We will add, okay, for the CSS you can write in a separate file also, but I will write in the same file the CSS code. Style. Here we will write our coding. First of all, I will add to the body some code. Okay, margin of the body would be 0 pixel. Now we will add some CSS code to sidebar class. Okay, this sidebar class. Okay, first of all, margin of this would be 0 and padding would be 0. Width would be 200 pixel and background color, let's select blue for the background color, and position text, and height would be 100 pixel, and overflow auto. So this was for the sidebar CSS code. Now we will add to the links. Okay, to these links we will write like this, that sidebar a to these links. So these links, first of all, display black. Okay, they will display, we will display as black. Okay, and color would be, for example, color would be white, and padding 16 pixel, for example, or 15 pixel, whatever you assign, and text decoration none. Underline should be that text decoration. Okay, decoration none. Let's check it now. Okay, how it looks like. Let's come here to the browser. Let's refresh it. Okay, it looks like this. Now let's add other designs. Now we will add design to the dot sidebar a dot active. Okay, to the active class, to the first link, okay, to this one. So for that we will add background color. Background color for that would be, let's add, for example, that would be, let's change it, that would be a little bit black. Okay, like this. And color white. Okay, we will leave color as white. Control S. Let's check it now. See, it looks like this. Okay, now let's move. Now we will add some CSS code. Let's come here, dot sidebar a h over, whenever we h over, but not dot active class. Okay, it means that whenever we h over on these links without this home tab, the first one, the active one. Okay, for that we will change the background color black. Okay, let's save it. Now let's check it. Okay, see, you can choose your color. Okay, what color you like, but I chose this one. Now let's add div.content. Okay, let's just wait. I will add a class. But let's make it responsive. Okay, for the responsiveness we will add queries. Okay, so to add queries we will write at media, at media screen, and in here we will add max width. First of all, max width 700 pixel. This is for the tablet. Okay, so for the tablet we will add sidebar. We will just make it the sidebar responsiveness. Width of this would be 100 pixel for the tablet. Okay, and height would be auto, and after that position would be relative. And also down we will add to the link. Okay, that sidebar a. Okay, so to change the link, for that float. Okay, float right. This was for just for the links. Okay, now come here for the smaller devices per mobile. Okay, at media screen and max width 400 pixel. So that sidebar, this is for smaller devices per mobile. Okay, for that the text align center float none. I will add this design for links. Okay, let's see it now. Let's check it now. Okay, how it looks like. Let's refresh it first of all. So after refreshing, let's check it. See, it looks like for smaller devices like this, but the text is not at the center or to the right side. Let's sidebar float. I have added float right, but this is float left. Okay. But one thing is that the text decoration has not been applied. Let's check it. Text decoration none. Okay, this is none. Save it. Now let's check it. Okay, it looks like this. Now let's move to the developer tab and let's make it responsive. It looks like this. Okay, so it was all about a responsive sidebar menu using HTML and CSS. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.